Be. 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 Be means to exist or happen. For example, I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
Be happy.
I want to be a teacher.
Be patient.
Be kind.
I means the person speaking. For example, I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sorry.
I am pretty hungry.
I am good.
I am healthy and happy.
You means the person being spoken to. For example, I love you.
I love you.
I like you.
Do you know me?
You are beautiful.
Are you okay? Okay, you okay?
Thou. The means used to refer to something specific. For example, the weather is hot today.
The weather is hot today.
The weather is nice. Open the door.
The baby is crying.
It is off the table and it is on the floor.
A means used to refer to something general. For example, it's a great opportunity.
It's a great opportunity.
That's a great movie.
I need a pen. Who has a pen?
A lot. He has a lot of droids.
It's a beautiful day.
To means that shows direction, purpose, or result. For example, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I forgot to call my dad.
I need to study.
She likes to dance.
I want to go home.
Let's just go to the park.
It means refers to a thing or idea. For example, I get it.
I get it.
It is cool, isn't it?
Is it hot?
I like it.
Can you see it?
It was fun.
Not means used to make something negative. For example, she does not look happy.
She does not look happy.
And that's not going to happen.
Not today.
You are not going to school today.
No, I am not that hungry.
We're not tired.
Well, I am tired.
That means refers to a specific thing or idea. For example, that is my new favorite book.
That is my new favorite book.
You know that, right? Wait, how did you know that?
You do that.
Hey, is that your car?
That's my house.
That's my number.
And means connects words or ideas. For example, just smile and wave.
Just smile and wave.
He's tall and he's black.
You and me.
Apple and orange.
Tried and failed.
He took a phone call and he left.
I cooked them up and ate them.